This video was recorded a few weeks ago and I'm just uploading it now because I wasn't sure if I wanted to upload it based on my results. But since I wanted to let you guys know how it worked out for me, I uploaded it anyway. I added the date and time in 2 areas so you can see exactly when this recording took place. I hope you enjoy and I hope this was helpful to you. Hello, we're back again, and today I'm trying the Flawless by Gabrielle hairline. I've used her products in the past when she had, I think, a shampoo, conditioner, and a mask before, but now she rebranded and everything is new. These just came out. They're being sold on Amazon, so I decided to give it a try. I got the Hydrating Detangling Shampoo. I also got the co-washing cleansing conditioner. I got the Masque and the curl cream. The Detangling leave-in conditioner. Scalp soothing tonic. And the last thing I got was the Hydrating curl refresher spray. I did not get some of the products. They were either sold out or I just wasn't interested in them at this time. There is one thing that I wanted but I didn't get. It's the 3-minute conditioner. It's a washout conditioner. So I'll be getting that eventually. Today I am going to wash my hair with the Hydrating Detangling shampoo, and I'm going to deep condition with the mask. And then I will add the leave-in and the curl cream. Let's read what this scalp tonic says. Okay, this does not need to be washed out, so I can use this whenever. And then next time I use this, I'll go in with the co-wash. Let's go wash my hair. I will let you know how the shampoo and the deep conditioner feel when I get back. Okay, I'm back. My hair is washed and it's been in a towel. It feels soft. I detangled with the deep conditioner in there, the mask. And after I went under the steamer, so after I had some heat on my hair, all my tangles came out. So now I'm going to style my hair, but I want to see what this says. Okay, great for wash and goes and twist out. So today I'm going to use this cream, curl defining cream for wash and go. Next time I will try a twist out. I'm going to spray a little bit water, then I'll put in the Detangling leave-in conditioner. Just a little bit of water to make it damp. Let's see if this works. Come on. Oh, there it comes. Oh, this is nice. Oh my goodness, this detangling is right. Wow. Okay, let me spray some more because I like it. Oh wow. This is. Oh, I like this. All right. Okay, this is kind of thick. It doesn't move. So I'm not going to take a lot because my hair doesn't like heavy things. There's no gel in this collection yet. So we'll see how this goes on. But that Detangling leave-in spray, I like it. And on the cream, it says diffuse to activate and define curls. So maybe I'll diffuse a little bit after it air dries. All right, we're not gonna use water on this side. We're just gonna see how it is with this spray. I was liking it. Let's do this side first. Why is it always like me? It's always soapy there. I really like this spray. I'm gonna spray a little more. And the smell of everything is light but pleasant. Oh, if I didn't need a trim right now. Oh, man. It's a cream, but it's not too heavy. It's not one of those heavy creams that my hair doesn't like. So I hope this dries well because I'm liking how it's going on. I don't know what's wrong with my camera today, but it keeps turning off. Well, it keeps stopping the recording, which is pretty annoying. I'm trying to do a video here. Should I do the middle part? Or should I just do this whole thing together? The front doesn't take things in well, so we're just gonna do it together. Because if I put too much, it's gonna be crazy. I don't know what this is. The shorter part. Not sure what that is. Okay, so this is one side. Here's the back. There's my other side. Hope you can see it. So now we're just gonna wait for it to dry. I will think about diffusing it. I don't really diffuse my hair, especially in the summer. Okay, so you know the drill. I'll be back when it's dry and we'll talk about how it feels and how everything worked. I will see you then. Okay, I'm back. It's been, I think, 2 days since I did my hair with the Flawless by Gabrielle Union Products. Now, I'm going to give you my thoughts and an update on how my hair feels. I'm gonna take down my hair right now and I'll explain to you why it's up. So, my hair's been up pretty much for the days that I've had this product in my hair. Now, look-wise, I feel like it looks fine. If I could plan it to just fluff it out a little bit, I would. However, this product seems to be too heavy for my hair. I'm not sure if it's because my actual hair is thinner or if it's the porosity or a mixture of both, my density, I don't know. What I'm going to try to do is use the product again, but maybe I'm going to try it a couple of different ways. So maybe my hair needs to be wetter. I don't know if that will help. And I saw a video, if I can find it, I will link it, of a girl, I don't even know her name, a lady. She added water to the product because it was weighing her hair down too much. So the reason I know the product is weighing my hair down too much is because when I feel it, I can feel the product still on top of my hair. So I don't know if maybe adding heat will help, And when I say heat, I mean warm, either warm the water to open my cuticle and then put it on my hair, or warm the product a little bit so it gets into my hair. I'm not sure which, I don't know what, I'm not sure which, I don't know which option I'm gonna do yet. I don't know, I'm not sure. I really liked the deep conditioner. I liked the shampoo, and I loved the leave-in detangling, the detangling leave-in conditioner. I loved the leave-in detangling conditioner. So I don't want to write this product off yet because I know it's because my hair likes lighter weight things. And this didn't feel heavy to me, so I didn't expect this to happen. I was really sad when I woke up and it was dry, and I feel this like residue on my hair. I could feel it like when after I touch my hair, my hands feel residue on it. I just wanted to come and update how it felt. I'm now gonna wash my hair. Yes, I'm gonna wash it. It's been maybe 2 days, 3 the most. And I think because everything has no silicones and everything, I think I'm gonna try the co-wash this time. Depending on how my hair feels, maybe I'll deep condition, not for as long as I did the other day, but I'll deep condition and I'll come back and style. If I want to come back and do everything tonight, then I have to diffuse my hair. It's not a really hot day today. It's not a hot evening, so I maybe will do that. We'll see. You'll know when I come back because I'll tell you how many days it's been or if it's the same day. And yeah, so like I'm looking in the iPad and my hair looks fine. It looks great, but it just feels it's too much. It's too much residue on it, and I want to fix that. So we're gonna try. I don't want to write this off. I love Gabrielle Union, and I liked a lot of stuff. So I'm hoping to give this curl cream another try. And it said it's for type 2, type 3, and type 4 hair. I don't know what type hair I am. Maybe in the 3s somewhere, maybe a 4 in the back. I don't know. But I mean, I know I'm somewhere in there. So I'm just hoping that I can figure out a way to make this a little less heavy. So you'll see me when I get back, and I'll let you know the procedure that I went through and if it worked. So until then, I'll see you. We're gonna stop now. Stay tuned for my upload of me trying this product again. Thanks for watching.